The challenges for our organization is enabling knowledge to ensure that we don't make the same mistakes, we don't pay for things more than once. We learn from our mistakes, but the enablement of people and extracting what they know is a significant challenge.
He talked about the people part of KM as part of the overall KM environment, people, process, and technology. I felt like he did a good job in weaving in that human element into a lot of things.
I think the human side is the one we can affect. The tools, those guys are going to deliver the tools. It's getting, the leadership and the people together like we heard here. So I would highly recommend this one to my team.
I'm Mike Prevost, and this is going to be the human side of KM. We're going to talk about strategies at work, focused on the human side.
So when we're talking about knowledge management and the human side of it, what we're really looking at is how do we capture and share knowledge from people.
SKS offers a variety of knowledge management training and certification for KM and information technology practitioners. Our certification courses provide basic, intermediate, and advanced KM certifications. The executive-level workshops help corporate leaders understand KM and how it can provide value to their organization. This executive-level training focuses on how to talk about knowledge sharing and collaboration, and how to establish goals, metrics, and expectations for a more collaborative work environment. Our master classes help experienced KM and IT practitioners move to the next level, preparing them for greater responsibility and bigger challenges.
This is basically the template for a successful one of those meetings where you find a challenge, you set the vision, and I've got great stuff to just roll out and start that program.
I think there's a benefit to coming to this, seeing similarities with other people at my table, even though we're in different industries. I think validating a lot of the challenges that we've seen, that's probably one of the stronger things I'll take from it.
When I talk about people, I'm not just talking about the cliche, the right people with the right knowledge at the right time in the right place and all that. I'm really talking about making sure that those people have the right skills, that they are in a position to have the correct interactions that they need to make that knowledge move through the organization.
SKS takes a deliberate human approach to KM. Our four-phased approach will help you assess requirements and guide you through the design, development, and implementation of an actionable plan that can be measured and managed in your company. Our instructors are world-class practitioners with over a decade of experience helping dozens of organizations put KM into practice. They are active consultants, teachers, and KM coaches who are passionate about their work and love to develop others professionally. Our classes are hands-on and focused on addressing KM challenges in your organization.
This session this afternoon was great. I thought it was instrumental in understanding how organization strategies align with actions or tasks.
SKS began its KM practice working with the U.S. military, helping them develop KM doctrine, strategy, and training. We have been instrumental in networking leaders and improving collaboration so that lessons learned and best practices can be applied. SKS has worked with some of the biggest companies in the U.S. as well as government agencies to help them formalize ways to capture and share corporate knowledge, build an effective knowledge environment, and form communities of practice. Our training and education program will help you develop the skills you need to build, implement, and sustain a full-spectrum KM program for your organization.
This was great stuff. It was a great 3 hours.
SKS offers expert consulting services, on-site program support, and a wide range of training and educational workshops to help your organization learn, share, collaborate, and work smarter. Learn more about the SKS professional education and training programs. Visit our website and download our free catalog to unlock the potential of the human side of knowledge management.